Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new day. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about the Warriorplus affiliate network, which is one of the best affiliate network with high commission rate for affiliates. So in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about how to set up your account with Warriorplus affiliate network and how you can promote offers on this Warrior affiliate network. So do like and subscribe to this channel, that is if you find out this video really interesting. So in Warriorplus affiliate network is pretty much okay working with Warrior affiliate network because they approve offers easily and they have high commission, and you can also advertise your product as an advertiser on this Warriorplus affiliate network. So once you apply for offers, it usually take 2 hours to 3 hours to work with this Warrior to approve your offers. So I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to use the Warriorplus affiliate network and how you can promote offers on this Warrior affiliate network so that you can earn money. So let's get it done, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, that is if you find out this video really interesting. On this Warriorplus affiliate network, that is the first thing you need to do right now is to go to this Warriorplus affiliate network and create a free account and validate the accounts before you can start working with Warriorplus affiliate network. So let's go to Warriorplus affiliate network. So this is the Warriorplus affiliate network. You can download the free mobile app for this Warriorplus affiliate network on the Google Play Store. You can go there and download the Warriorplus affiliate network, and you can also earn $25 per free referral on this Warriorplus affiliate network. So let's go and check it out. So this is the Warriorplus affiliate network. So there are a lot of offers that you can promote as a publisher on this Warriorplus affiliate network with high commissions. So first, you can generate a sale on this Warriorplus affiliate network. You can earn $3 or more than that on this Warriorplus affiliate network. So before you can start promoting offers, you have to request for approval. You apply for the offer, then you wait for approval. So once you are approved to promote the offer, then you can start promoting the offer. So if you don't have accounts with them, you go and click the sign up here. After you click on the sign up, you put in your details. They will send you a verification link that you validate your account. So I've already have account with this Warriorplus affiliate network, so I'm going to log in. Like I said, there are a lot of offers that you can promote online as a publisher on this Warriorplus affiliate network. So I'm going to show you how it works. So once you are on the Warriorplus affiliate network, you have already created an account with them. So you click the drop down menu and click on affiliates. Then you go to offers. You see the list of offers that they have. There are a lot of offers that you can promote on this Warriorplus affiliate network. So as you can see, these are the list of offers that they have. This is the crowd offer, which is sell. So first you can generate a sell. You can earn $5 for it. So if you want to apply for offer, you go to request, you click on request. After you click on request, then you wait for approval. You wait for the approval. Once you have been approved, then you can start sharing the tracking link that you have been issued to your Twitter handle, your Instagram account, your Facebook account, and your WhatsApp account. So once you apply for offer, you will wait for approval. So I'm going to click on request approval. Once I click request approval, then I wait for approval. Once you have been approved, then you start promoting offer. As you can see, your request has been they have written your request has been sent to the seller. You'll be notified via email. So once you apply for offer, you'll be notified through your email that the offer has been approved or rejected. So there are lots of offers that you can promote here. There are lots of offers that you can promote. First, you can generate a sale. You can earn huge amount of money ranging from $3 upward. So as you can see, it's pretty much easy working with this Warriorplus affiliate network. So you can see the vendor, the advertiser that has placed his adverts on this on the offer that you applied. So this is the advertiser that placed his offer. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial on how you can set up your account with Warriorplus and how you can promote offers as an publisher for you to start making money on this Warriorplus affiliate network. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you found out this video really interesting. Thank you and goodbye.